Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download driver Gigabyte B650M gaming AC. So open any browser to Google search box, type Gigabyte and full name like this. So this is first link to right click to new tab, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website for the download of the driver. Open this tab, then guys click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11 and all means your depend about which is your operating system using, like Red, Ubuntu, Linux, like that. So you can select all. Okay, first of all, this is audio driver, so click to download. And if you facing some issues and error in this first, so try to different version, sorry. Okay, this one, click to download. So almost all the drivers installation process is same. Click to download key and automatically to start the driver, right click. And this is completed, so you can open this folder, double click to setup, and then yes. Now this is installation start. Scroll down, try chipset. Okay, same, click to download. And if you facing, so try to another. Okay, open this folder and try one by one. I so open this exe, then click to yes. Now this is start for the downloading installations. So like you facing the issue, so you can try to other versions like this. Okay, and then try to LAN driver. So click to download, open this folder, double click to this setup and click to yes. This is LAN driver also ready to install installations. And try guys one by one. This is graphic cards, almost 300 plus size, so you can just click to download and install to next. Then Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So this is Bluetooth and this is Wi-Fi. So first of all try Bluetooth. Open this folder and double click to exe, then yes. Bluetooth driver also ready to install, and then try to we have to install the Wi-Fi driver. So same, click to download key, open this folder and double click to exe file, then guys click to yes. This is extract to data. So guys, finally you install the all driver. This is BIOS, and if you have to update so you can download and run. This is utilities, some basic software like fix the issues, and Windows 10 64-bit. So all the utility are available. This is App Center. Okay, thank you. So second step guys, if your downloaded drivers is not installing, so you can run forcefully. How to? So firstly open the file manage file explorer this PC. So then go to download, which is you downloaded the folder. So this is all select. Okay, right click to copy and create a folder on the desktop and any locations. And paste. Okay, and then right click to extract here one by one, extract all, and same locations down, desktop driver, select this and then extract here. Okay, then second, extract all, choose desktop drivers and select the folder and then extract. So this is LAN driver, this is also LAN driver, this is ultra 10G, and this is Bluetooth. BT means Bluetooth drivers, chipset driver, network driver, Wi-Fi driver, and audio driver, and Realtek audio drivers. Okay, this is not required, so I delete it. Okay, so what is the next step? Right click to Windows button and then go to device manager. Okay, and suppose you have to update the LAN driver. Okay, so what is the LAN? The network. This is your LAN. Here to show the Wi-Fi, so select to your Wi-Fi driver which is there. So right click, upgrade, browse locally, browse and go to desktop. Desktop driver, select this, and that is not show because this is not extract, this is, that's why it's not showing. If you extract the show here, select this drive and then next and then close. So that is a display driver. So as you one by one try, require only display first, second network, okay, and then chipset also there, processor, this is chipset, and Wi-Fi also. Next audio driver, okay, and then restart. Finally it is installed. Thank you.